Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Bluetooth scanning in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn off Bluetooth scanning to improve our accuracy, we have to go to Settings, Location, and in Location we have Location Services. By default, Bluetooth scanning should be turned on. And to turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box. What does Bluetooth scanning exactly do? Let apps use Bluetooth for more accurate location detection even when Bluetooth is off. If we don't want our phone to look for other Bluetooth, we simply uncheck this box, back out to the main menu, and that's it. Now our device won't connect with other devices via Bluetooth. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.